Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to create and share a Google Drive folder using just your phone or PC. Here, search Google Drive, then go to sign in. If you are signed in, no need to sign in anymore. But if you are not, then sign in. Here, you can first, from the plus icon in the top left, first upload a folder. Which, sorry, click a new folder here. Then give it a name, anything, create it. Then here you can see the folder is created. Now suppose upload anything on this folder. First open it by double clicking it. There are no files right now, so we have to upload any files like any images, like go to that pictures, camera rolls, but I don't have any pictures. Here's suppose just a video. I have uploaded it. It's loading right here. So it's done. Now go back and click on this three dot right here. From here, click share and this share as well. You can give access, like type your email address, like here are some email address. If I give access to this guy, he will get access to my folder. Then you can even click on this share copy link, like yes, you can give here. This is showing the only access is by my account. If I add more emails here, there are more in this list. So that's how you make a shared folder in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it's helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.